And so it is from the awareness that harmony is all that there is that we become still and know that the very essence of life itself is a very harmonious activity. And so right where our relationships are concerned, harmony reigns supreme. And so we allow ourselves to surrender any conditioned idea of our identity, allowing the cosmic reality of love and harmony to indeed have its way. And so it is from this place that we recognize that the very body that houses the whole spirit of us is an activity of harmony. All of the functions and faculties of the being are expressing in a very harmonious expression. And so it is from this place that declaring the very truth of the body temple is but our opportunity in prayer to recognize what God has wrought and called itself us. And so as we breathe in the reality that all that there is all that there is, we allow harmony to have its way in every relationship that is a part of our life and a part of our experience. And so we so surrender to that divine mandate of a harmonious being that we allow that mandate to use us so that love may have its way in our mind, may have its way as our body, may have its way as our affairs. And indeed, all about us, we permit ourselves to recognize harmony in every aspect of expression and being. And from that point of reference, we cannot help but be the activity of that harmony as we avail ourselves to its reality. And so I declare in this moment that harmony in our affairs and harmony in our relationships are indeed moving through, in, around, and as us right now. And so it is indeed the energy and the appreciation and the acknowledgement of gratitude that nourishes and cultivates this harmony into full expression as our life. And so it is from this place that we bear witness to what is true about our nature and being. And harmony reveals the unconditional love that is the very means by which we exist. And so it is from this awareness that the word spoken is indeed made flesh. And so we allow it to be. And so it is.